Hola clase, hoy aprendemos los verbos de cambio a y e. Today we'll learn about stem change verbs with the stem change e to ie. Verbos de cambio a y e. Los verbos y e cambian en el presente en cada forma menos que nosotros y vosotros. Stem change verbs have regular present tense endings. For e to ie stem change verbs, the e of the stem or root changes to ie in all forms except nosotros and vosotros, which we don't focus on in this class. So for this class's purposes, we'll just remember not to change that stem in the nosotros form. Vamos a ver un ejemplo. Querer. Singular, yo quiero, tú quieres, usted, él, ella quiere. Y plural, nosotros, nosotras queremos, no hay cambio, queremos. Ustedes, ellos, ellas quieren. So here you can see that stem change. The e becomes an ie in 4 of the 5 forms that we've learned. So what you do is take that first e there and change that. That's in the stem. The stem is the Q-U-E-R, and that ER is the ending that we're changing. So take that stem and make the change, the E to IE, and then put the proper ending on to match with the subject. Quiero, quieres, quiere, queremos, quieren. Vamos a ver unos ejemplos más. Ejemplos, verbos de cambio a ie. Los verbos son querer, cerrar, empezar, entender, pensar, preferir y tener más o menos. Tener tiene una forma irregular para yo. So the yo form of tener is irregular, tengo, yo tengo. But the other forms, the two, usted, el, ella, and ellos, ustedes forms, all have that ie stem change. Los ejemplos. Yo cierro la puerta. I close the door. We chose the O of cerrar, the O to make the yo ending, and changed the E of cerrar into the IE. Tienes frío sin tu chaqueta y gorro. You are cold without your jacket and hat. Here, tener is irregular in the yo form, but this is the tu form, so we do have that stem change, and we add the es ending, which is a regular er verb ending. Paula prefiere el vestido rojo. Paula prefers the red dress. Here you can see it's the second e in the stem that changes, prefiere. So be careful to make sure that first e stays the same and you make that change in the second e. Pensamos que otoño es el mejor tiempo. We think that autumn is the best season. Here we do not change the e, because it's the nosotros form of the verb. And so because we have that amos ending that indicates the nosotros subject, we say pensamos que otoño sea el mejor tiempo. Todos los estudiantes entienden el español. All the students understand Spanish. Todos los estudiantes entienden el español. Here again, you have a first E in entender, but it's the second E that gets the stem change. The same goes with the verb empezar. The first E does not get a stem change, but the second does. Abajo dice, ¿quieres mirar la televisión o leer un libro? Here you can see the stem change in the verb querer. It changes for the to subject. Notice we have other verbs in this sentence, mirar and leer. When one verb follows another, the first verb is conjugated and the second stays in its infinitive form. ¿Quieres? Do you want to watch or to read a book? So here we leave mirar and leer in the infinitive form. That means they have their original AR, ER, or IR ending. Estas son verbos de cambio. Si tienes preguntas, hay que pregúntame. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Entonces, hasta luego.